Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we were talking about 100% productivity. I said, work every waking hour until you win or die because your dreams are worth dying for. I will share my story of how I worked 16 hours a day. It was April 2015. I finished my final semester exam of engineering. I wanted to do masters, but I have failed in entrance exam poorly. I had an engineering degree, but I am incapable of doing anything on my own. I couldn't able to feel contentment with my knowledge, so I decided to continue my dream of higher studies. I decided 1 year to prepare for entrance exam. I know I need to cover syllabus from 6th grade because 4 year of engineering made me dumb. During the time I was reading books of Osho, I have developed some interest in meditation, hoping that it will help to improve my productivity. I came to know about Vipassana meditation through healer Bhaskar. Immediately, I registered through the website. It was 10 days silent meditation retreat. You need to be silent for 10 days without talking to anyone except Vipassana teacher. Mobile phones, books, anything other than clothes and toiletries are not allowed. On first day, 2 pm, I registered myself and went to my allotted room. It was a shared room for 2 persons. I had very talkative roommate. He told it is not possible for him to be silent for 10 days. That statement highly irritated me. I don't want this guy to ruin my meditation. So I told him that I won't speak. I'm here to be silent and learn meditation. Fortunately, he didn't speak to me until the end. At the end, he thanked me for pushing him to be silent. The first day meditation started with the instruction of the teacher. They instructed me to sit comfortably, back and neck straight, and observe the breath. Just a natural breath. There will be 10 minutes break between 1 hour of meditation. When I was in meditation, I was feeling pain in my leg, back and shoulder. Teacher told me these pains are not a physical pain, though it appears like a physical pain. Those are resistance of a mind to avoid meditation. So I continued. I followed the rules steadfastly. I was not satisfied with my progress because I could able to observe my breath only for 30 seconds maximum. Then my mind will start imagination about a beautiful girl and becoming a Vipassana teacher in my hometown or becoming Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Initially, I named this as imagination. Later, I came to know that these are called thoughts. These pictures are coming to my mind without my intention, therefore it is thoughts. It will go on for minimum 30 minutes to 50 minutes. I am effectively doing meditation only for 10 minutes. I expressed my inability to the teacher. He told whatever I am doing is correct and it is normal. Mind will always go to somewhere. It takes some time to us to realize that we have hijacked from present moment. When we realize we have hijacked from present moment, without becoming angry or frustration, we have to start doing meditation again. This is meditation. You fail, then you start again. Again you fail, then you start. This will go on forever. That is why meditation improves resilience and persistence. Somehow, I completed 10 days of silent meditation. Initially, I thought there is no change in myself, but I have changed completely. I was in my control 100%. I was not a one person anymore. I became two. One is the actual person and another is the one observing him. I have become like a fluid. My self-discipline level was 100. I started my entrance exam preparation. I woke up at 4 am and do meditation for 1 hour. Then I started studying from 5 am in the morning to 10 pm in the evening. I never encouraged any thought other than studies. that is possible only with Vipassana. After 6 months, I have cracked the exam with 44% and secured the admission in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. This is the stupendous achievement in my life, and my life got changed 10 times better forever. Many people are claiming that they are doing meditation. Serious meditator says to experience meditation and internalize it, you need to do Vipassana. If you have a time, please check out dhamma.org, dhamma.org to register. If you want to change yourself with shortest possible time, then Vipassana is for you. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow. I am Rich Spiritualist.